Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you send money to number from BHIM UPI app. Open BHIM UPI app, enter your PIN and log into your account. Now right side you can see option of send, click on that option. Now in search bar you have to enter the number on which you want to send the money. After entering the number, click on verify. Now the details will be visible of that number. You have to enter here amount. After that you have to choose your bank account from which you want to send the money. Then click on confirm. Now click on send. After entering UPI PIN, your transaction will be success. And this is how you can send money to number from BHIM UPI app. Thank you everyone.